Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to change your Google Drive theme in 2025. Whether you want a darker look for night work or a vibrant theme to brighten your workspace, I'll walk you through it step by step. Stick around because by the end of this video, your Google Drive will feel completely refreshed. First, open Google Drive in your browser. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Next, look at the top right corner of your Google Drive. You'll see a gear icon, that's your settings. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once the settings window opens, focus on the Theme section. Here, you'll see different options for your Google Drive appearance. You have a few choices. Default Light Theme, which is the classic Google Drive look. Dark Theme, which is perfect for reducing eye strain and working in low light. Custom themes, which let you pick a background image or color to personalize your drive. To change your theme, just click on the option you like. If you select Custom, Google Drive allows you to either choose from preloaded images or upload your own photo. This is great if you want something unique, like a personal photo or a favorite wallpaper. Once you've made your selection, click Done or Apply. Instantly, your Google Drive will update to your chosen theme. And that's it. You can change your theme as often as you like. Experiment with different looks until you find one that makes your drive enjoyable to use. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to change your Google Drive theme in 2025. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tips like this. Drop a comment below and tell me which theme you picked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.